In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about downloading a video directly from Google Drive. Whether you're new to Google Drive or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can download your videos with ease and confidence. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive by entering drive.google.com in the address bar. If you're not already logged in, the page will prompt you to enter your Google account credentials. Make sure you log in with the account that has access to the video you intend to download. Once you're in Google Drive, you'll see a list or a grid view of your files, depending on your chosen layout. Look through your files and locate the video you wish to download. If you have numerous files, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find your video by typing its name. When you have found the video, click on it to select it. This will highlight the video file. If the file opens in a preview mode, which sometimes happens if you accidentally double-click, just close the preview to return to the main list. With the video file selected, move your cursor to the top right corner of the page where you'll notice 3 vertical dots, also known as the More Actions menu. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. Now, from this drop-down menu, look for the option that says Download. Upon selecting Download, your browser will begin to process the download. Depending on your browser settings, it may ask you to confirm the download or choose a download location on your computer. If prompted, select your desired location and confirm. If not, the video will default to your browser's standard download folder. While your video is downloading, it's crucial to ensure you have a stable internet connection. Since video files can be large, any interruption could cause issues during the download process. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where you stored the video to verify it downloaded correctly. In case you encounter any error messages or issues, double-check your internet connection and try downloading the file again. Sometimes, restarting your browser can also resolve persistent problems. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully downloaded a video from Google Drive to your computer. This method is handy for backing up your videos or when you need to access them offline. Remember to always keep your account credentials secure and double-check that